What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play La Di Die by Nessa Barrett and Jxdn. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double hobo punch your pancreas out of your body. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard half-step down tuning, which means you'll start in standard tuning and tune each of your strings down a half step. There's only a few different chords in this song, and I'm going to show you the chords as well as the strumming pattern. If you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So the chords we need to know for the song are going to be E minor. You're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. G major, move your ring finger to the 3rd fret of the low E and put your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. A minor, you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. C major, move your ring finger to the 3rd fret of the A string. And then D major, index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. So now I'll teach you the verse of the song. So your chord progression for the verse is going to be E minor, G, A minor, C, D, and your C and your D are going to be played half as long as the other chords. I'll show you what that means. So starting from your E minor, it looks like this. So what I'm doing there is I'm using the fleshy part of my hand to palm mute on down strums only. And I'm pretty much doing all down strums, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm literally hitting the strings with my pick to kind of mute them a little bit. And the easiest way to do the strumming pattern will probably just to start with just down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For 8 counts on E minor, G, A minor, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do that a little slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, I'm just hitting the strings with my pick and this part of my hand near the bridge of the guitar all at the same time. And if you want to get a little fancy, you can add an unmuted up strum in between some of those, so it'll look like. And I think that's coming after every 4 count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after that 4, you take your hand off and just hit some of the strings on an up strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to play the chorus. It's a very similar chord progression. The only thing that's different is after your E minor, you're gonna go to D instead of G. So it'll be E minor, D, A minor, C, D. And now your strumming pattern is gonna be, this will be easier than the verse because we're just open strumming. The strumming pattern looks like down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down, down. So your C and your D are a little bit different. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.